Hey everybody, welcome back to another simple recipe. Today is all about a much loved delicacy from northwestern Uganda where I'm from. It's called ujo or ucakuca. You will find it as a side dish at every party, and it's simply any pulses smothered in a hot nutty sauce. I did it my way, it turned out really great, so let's get started. So traditionally, this side dish is cooked with pigeon peas, also known as burusu or lapena in the north. In case you didn't know, dried pigeon peas look like this. And in this recipe, I will be using the fresh ones, which came direct from Arua, and they look like this. The ingredient list is in the description below. All right, I went ahead to add my chopped mushrooms to a little heated oil, and I'm cooking them gently for about 10 minutes until they are caramelized. Now I'm just going in with my onions and I'm gonna saute them for about 5 minutes or until they're soft and translucent. Here you see me adding my homemade tomato sauce, some chili powder, and some salt. I also added a little water and I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna go in with my natural peanut butter. Okay, so this is the point where you start to agaza the udu. Sorry, I don't know how to say that in English, but basically you turn your heat to very low and cook the sauce for about 30 minutes or until there's a layer of oil at the top. Okay, Sonze, I didn't wait to create the nut oil because of the oil that I used to saute my mushrooms and onions. Now I'm just adding my cooked pigeon peas. Then I'm going to stir everything up like this, just until the peas are smothered in the hot peanut butter sauce and have warmed up bulungi. And before I remove the dish from the heat, I'm adding some chopped cilantro for color and for aroma. Now, ucakuca is quite thick, which is why it's served as a side dish, and as I mentioned before, this is a dish that must be at every event in Arua: weddings, funerals, baptisms, birthday parties, you name it. It's kind of like having that thick chinyebwa at buffet lines in south of Uganda or plantains in West Africa. I thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on it to help push it to a wider audience. Until my next one, may God surprise you with the best. Bye!